And then on August 26, club na Mandarin officers from Cavite.
Break time pa. Kumana yung screen pa tayo. Uy, nag-vlog na siya! Ano kaayo? I-astigmatism? Tara na! With you guys in the home. TikTok. Nicer night.
Dapat umaga.
Hello guys, good morning. It's currently 1:17 a.m. So, kanina was our first day of class. Wala naman masyadong ginawa. More of mga ano lang, yung parang orientation, meet of the teachers, ganun and such. So, wala masyadong parang ganap and ako nakapag-vlog na maayos kasi girl, like, first day of school pa lang, madami nang nangyari sa akin. So, first, hindi ako nakagising na maaga kasi lubat pala yung phone ko. Pag gising ko, shutdown talaga siya. And thankfully, I woke up at 7. Then yung class ko noon is 9. So, hindi naman ako hindi late pala ako. Commute na ako, sumakay ako ng jeep. Nasiraan kami ng jeep. Tapos, dahil na walayo pa school ko dahil like, gamay na lang kami minutes kay late na dyan ko. So, I had no choice. I had to ride the taxi from Maneuver to school. Yung school pa lang, gumastos ka na ng malaki. Masyado ako nakapag-vlog lang kasi full storage ako. So, yeah. I'm done with my skin prep. Then, gawa na ako ng secretary duties. Then, gigising tayo bukas. So, gawa tayo ng transition. So, 1, 2, 3, go. Wow. It's 7 o'clock. So, let's go. Kinsa ni-decide og sulod. Hello. Make talk daw. What? You make chika daw with Yasamin? I don't know. Lang ko Ed, kakribit. 500. Isa dito nuning kamot. Natanawan niya yung
Tama na.
ayaw mo guys.
When is August 8? What day is August 8?
Hi. Hey.
Is it a Thursday or Friday?
Vlog
Para I think it's a Friday. Oh, sige. Friday pa August 8?
Ako ako. Chelsea.
And other cushions, chairs are arranged at the
Taas.
Bye na!
Mas gwapo ang design sa Commerce dito kung balhin. Kung Club Expo.
Ay, kani. Kani ako.
Siyempre, nakabot ako ulit. Si Kuno.
Sana, kami
Si
sana.
Marvin. Si Marvin Guerrero.
Isa mga taga-smog.
Ay, dada.
Isa pa.
Asa kong bago na yun? Hindi mo ako.
Ano ba itong ano ba? Lapid na ang bukog. Kanin sa Bukog pa rin. Ano kani ang pa? Good morning. So, it's currently 6:22 a.m. and ako pa lang gising sa bahay. And kung aalis ngayon kasi late na ako 2 days straight. Hindi naman ako late kahapon. Pero yung traffic sa Milan, grabe talaga. So, bumili sila ng pizza and they left me some pizzas to eat for today. Grabe yung breakfast, pizza dahil. Grabe. So far, school's not that bad. Pero kapoy. Nakalimutan ko pala maglagay ng earrings. Ayan. Kaya mo na ako. Kaya mo na ako guys. Ha? Guys, so wala may teacher. So, gi-off nila tanan suga sa class.
Naka-witness, naka-witness.
Dapat may voice something.
City, wanna make it fun. Ay, kani.
Say, katugod tayo sa tikas.
Ay, ha?
I-post tong I love you, Astin.
Ha?
I-post tong I love you.
Oo, saba.
I love you, Astin John.
Ikaw pa rin. Ikaw? I love myself. Ako ay may... Makancel kita ng style ni Nakancel ang mga klase ni Salad Library. matulog sa ta. Bye-bye. Hello. Manana dyan may nakatulog na may. Mawali na tayo. Hello guys. So, kakauwi ko lang from school. What came in the house. Ano? I expect ko mas bigger siya. It's the same size as the one na binili ko din from Shein, which is this one. Plus, ito yung bag na ginagamit ko daily. Since, ito yung bag na gagamitin ko bukas. I'll just basically do what's in my bag for school. Okay, so first thing in my bag is my tab. So, nagagamit ko lang siya na mag-video sa school. But no, honestly, I think hindi ko pa ma-feel yung pagiging useful niya kasi wala mo masyadong ginagawa. But hopefully, pag meron na, this will come in handy, is yung notebook. I will put the link of all the stuff na I bought. That, alam niyo din kung saan ko binili. And then, I bought refilling. Yung grid na refill, I bought yung 300 pieces. So, each pack, I think it's 100 pieces. So, yun. And then, next is my eyeglasses. Which is, yeah. Kasi I cannot see well. Of course, my umbrella. This, I like how small they are. Like, dala-dala naman siya maskin gamay yung bag. So, this coin purse, I like how small it is. Dito ko na nalalagay lahat. Yung cards ko, yung money ko, yung coins ko. I just wanted something small. But, yeah, ito muna yung wallet ko for the meantime. Kasi I wanted something like compact lang good. Hindi masyado yung malaki and sagabal sa wallet. May power bank, my pouch, and what's inside here are, meron din ako mga inhaler. I have Tolo dala. This one is efficacy. Kani siya kay itong Vicks ba to? Basta ko sa ilong. Then kani siya is white flower. This one is Everbelena na serum tint lip balms from shade Her. Hindi naman siya maklaro eh. Basta my tiny brush kasi ito ginagamit ko siya sa blush. And next is my mascara. Next is Easy na lipstick. Shade niya is Slip. May Everbelena blush. Ito yung daily ko na ginagamit na kasi hindi siya nauubos. Like, ang dami niya pa. Meron akong dalawang types of perfume. So, this one is Euroscent Spain. So, ano siya? Princess Victoria. So, daily ko to. This one is Victoria's Secret to. But, yung original niya na bottle, hindi ko dinadala everyday kasi ang laki. So, I use this one. My AirPods with me. Hindi ko alam saan yung AirPods mismo, pero it's in here, nandito sa bahay, nandito sa kwarto. Then, another pen. Then, yeah. And then, lastly, it's itong mga papers na ipapasahin ko pa bukas for our event. First time ko mag-whole day class sa SPC. And hindi naman siya like literal na whole day. I think it was more of like, basta yun. So, yun lang. And see you tomorrow na naman. Hopefully, ma-post ko to before next, I think goal ko next week. So, yun. Yun lang. And bukas na naman. Diyos ko. Sige. Hello guys. So, it's hello. So, actually, this video was way back in August. And I wasn't able to post this kasi merong part sa video na na-corrupt and I think i-remove ko na lang siya. So, I planned na i-post na lang siya kasi sayang din. It's been stuck in my editing software for about 3 months now. So yun, I plan on posting it na lang kasi sayang naman din, it's taas-taas naman din yung video. So I hope na you guys enjoy it. Cause like, wala, naiwan na ano na talaga siya doon sa, nagabok lang siya doon. And yeah, I just got back from going out and na-bored ako, so I cut my hair. Ako lang nag-cut na to, nilayer ko siya, pero yung sa front part lang naka-layer siya. That's Bella. So yun lang. Hope na you enjoy this video, guys, and I hope to post more soon. Bye bye.